Hey beautiful people, this is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, and today we are here to review December's package for Menlo House. Menlo House is more of a modern brand that is only an exclusive subscription service, and they charge $65 a month, and they send you some clothes every single month. So this month I received a nice Melrose Place sweatsuit, and this is like a green. I don't even know what color green this would be considered, but it's a very, very deep, dark green that actually looks pretty cool. So these are in my size. They look like they're actually kind of big, but we're gonna see what the fit looks like. I guess they're going for more of a baggy look here, but let's see what we're working with, and I'll show you in a second. And if you like this video, I know it's very brief just because it's 2 items. Just make sure you please like this video, you subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. Until then, let's check this out and see what you think. All right, people, this is the Menlo House sweatsuit that I got. And this thing is extremely comfortable. Yeah, I could definitely see myself rocking this literally anywhere, even if I'm just like doing something real chill. So definitely recommend it. Try Menlo House, check the link in the description. If you have any questions, please by all means, go ahead and ask, and I'll do my best to respond as quick as possible. Other than that, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, and hopefully see you soon.